As an affiliate marketer, you have the potential to make money by earning commissions from the sales you generate. You don't have to worry about creating your own product or services. You can promote other people's products or services. The first step to starting with affiliate marketing is to join an affiliate network. These networks provide access to products and services from hundreds of different companies. Once you've joined a network, you can start promoting products or services from the merchants and earn commissions from the sales you generate. The next step is to create a website or blog or use social media platforms to promote your affiliate links. It would be best if you also were sure to sign up for an analytics tool so that you can track the performance of your affiliate campaigns. Finally, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Building a thriving affiliate business takes time, dedication, and hard work. If you would like to learn more about how to get started, I have links down below.